Don't need to say it out loud, 'cause you already know I'm in over my head, and the night's getting old. Each word is a wound, and excuses are cold. Defeat and surrender always feel the same to me, but what does it matter? They both bring me to my knees, or break me down and put me back together. I surrender, I surrender now, and hold me in the promise of forever. I surrender,